Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.1. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 3, perimeter and area. Here we discuss about the perimeter and area of the combined shape. And listen here, perimeter of a combined shape is the sum of all the length of the sides that form a closed boundary. And area of the combined shape is nothing but the sum of all areas of simplest shape in it. What are the shapes in it? We have to add this, means we get the area of combined shape. Perimeter and area. Listen, perimeter of square. We already know this formulas, but just we recall that. Perimeter of square is 4s. Here s is side. So 4s units, and area is s into s square units. And perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Here L is length and B is breadth. And area equal to L into B square units. And perimeter of triangle is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Here S1 is side 1, side 2, side 3. Area is equal to 1 by 2 B into H square units. Here B is base and H is height. Now let me see the exercise sums. Look at this exercise 3.1. First question. The table given below contains some measures of the rectangle. Find the unknown. Listen, they given the measures of rectangle. From that, which one they not given, we have to find out that. So listen, first one, write down what they given first. Length equal to 5 centimeter, breadth equal to 8 centimeter, and perimeter and area we have to find out. What is the area formula? Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 5 into 8 equal to 40 centimeter square, that is area. Next, perimeter. As a formula, 2 into L plus B units. Here area no, square units. Unit square. So 2 into, what is L here? 5 plus B is 8. So 2 into 5 plus 8, 13. That is 2 13s are 26 centimeter. That is perimeter. First sum, second subdivision. We given length L equal to 13 and perimeter 54 centimeter. So listen, from the perimeter we have to find out the breadth. Given perimeter equal to 54 centimeter. That means 2 into L plus B is equal to 54. Instead of perimeter we have to apply this formula. Now L plus B keep here. 2 is in multiplication. Bring this side, means 54 divided by 2. That is L plus B equal to 54 by 2. That is 27. Now L we know that is 13 plus B equal to 27. So B equal to 27 minus 13. That is 14. B equal to 14 centimeter. Now we have to find out next one, area. Area equal to L into B square units. So what is L here? 13 into breadth 14. Multiply this ones, we get 182 square centimeter. That is area. Third subdivision, the given breadth and perimeter, we have to find out length and area. So listen, they given perimeter equal to 60 centimeter. Now perimeter, instead of perimeter we have to apply the formula, that is 2 into L plus B is equal to 60. Now L plus B equal to 60 divided by 2. Now what is the value of B? That is 15. So L plus 15 equal to 60 divided by 2, 30. Now L equal to 30 plus 15, bring this side, means minus 15. So L equal to 15 centimeter. Now area equal to L into B square centimeter. L is 15 into B is 15. So 15 15s are 225 centimeter, that is area. That is the answer. First question, fourth subdivision. L equal to 10 meter and area equal to 120 meter square. We have to find out breadth and perimeter. Now area they given. Area equal to 120 meter square. Instead of area we have to apply the formula. What is the formula? L into B equal to 120. We know that L, that is 10. 10 into B equal to 120. Now B equal to 120. Here 10 is in multiplication, bring this side, means division. So B equal to 100 cancel. Next we get 12 meter, that is breadth. Therefore breadth equal to 12 meter. Next perimeter, we want to find out perimeter, that is what is the formula? L 2 into L plus B. 2 into what is L? 10 they given and B is 12, we found that. So 2 into 10 plus 12, 22, that is 2 22s are 44 meter, that is perimeter. That is the answer. Next one, fifth, B equal to breadth equal to 4 feet, A equal to 20 square feet. They given area and breadth. We have to find out length and perimeter. Area they given, area, that is 20 square feet. That means L into B equal to 20. We know that B is 4. So L into 4 equal to 20. So L equal to 20. Here 4 is a multiplication. So bring this side, means division. L equal to 20 divided by 4, 5 feet. That is length. Next perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B feet. 2 into what is L? 5 plus 4. 2 into 9, that is 18 feet is the perimeter. That is the answer. Second sum, the table given below contains some measurements of the square. Find the unknown values. Listen, they given side, perimeter and area. First, side S equal to 6 centimeter. What's the perimeter formula? 4s. So 4 into 6, that is 24 centimeter, that is perimeter. Next one, area. What is the area? Side into side, that is s square centimeter, that is 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square, that is area. Next one, they given perimeter. We have to find out area on the side. What is perimeter? 100 meter. Perimeter, that means apply the formula 4 into s equal to 100. So s equal to 100 divided by 4. So x equal to 25 meter, that is side. From that we have to find out the area. The area equal to s into s meter square, that is 25 into 25, that is 625 meter square, that is area. Next, third one, they given area equal to 49. Listen, s square, that means area formula equal to 49. S square equal to 49 is 7 into 7, that is 7 square. So s equal to 7, side equal to 7 feet. Given in feet, square feet. Now perimeter equal to 4 into s, that is 4 into 7, that is 28 feet, that is perimeter. That is the answer. Third sum, the table given below contains some measures of the triangles. Find the unknown values. So given the base, height, area in the table column, which one they did not given means we have to find out that. First one, the given base 20 centimeter, height 40 centimeter, and we have to find out the area. What is the area of triangle? Half into b into h square centimeter. Half into, what is b? 20 into 40. Cancel these numbers by 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 tens are 20. So remaining numbers 10 into 40, that is 400 centimeter square, that is area. Second subdivision, we given base equal to 5 feet and area they given, that is 20 square feet. Instead of area we apply the formula half BH equal to 20. Now we know that B is 5 into height equal to 20. We don't know h, so keep here itself, and 20 into here division, 2 is in division, so bring this side means multiplication, and 5 is in multiplication, so bring this side means division. 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20, so h equal to 4 2s are 8 feet, that is height. Third one, we have to find out base. They given height h equal to 12 meter and area equal to 24 meter square. Instead of area, we have to apply the formula of BH equal to 24 and 1 by 2 into base, we don't know, height we know that 12 equal to 24. Cancel the number here itself. 2 1 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So B into 6 equal to 24 and B equal to 24 divided by 6. So B equal to 6 4s are 24, 6 1 is 6, 4 6 are 24. So 4 meter, that is breadth of the triangle. That is the answer. Fourth sum, the table given below contains some measures of the triangle. Find the unknown values. They given the sides and perimeter. From that, what they did not given means we have to find out that. First one, S1 they given 6 centimeter, S2 5 centimeter and S3 2 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter of triangle. What is the perimeter of triangle? Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. That is 6 plus 5 plus 2. That is 13 centimeter. That is the perimeter of triangle. First one. Second one, they did not given the S1 side 1, side 2 equal to 8 meter, S3 equal to 3 meter and they given the perimeter equal to 17 meter. What is perimeter? Instead of perimeter we have to apply the formula S1 plus S2 plus S3 equal to 17 meter. S1 we don't know, write down as it is, plus S2 is 8 plus 3 equal to 17. So S1 plus 8 plus 3 11 equal to 17. So S1 equal to 17 minus 11. S1 equal to 17 minus 11, we get 6 meter. That is the side 1 value. Third one, S1 they given 11 feet and S2 we have to find out S3 equal to 9 feet and perimeter they given, perimeter equal to 28 feet. That means S1 plus S2 plus S3 equal to 28. We know the values, apply that. S1 is 11 plus S2 we don't know plus S3 9 equal to 28. So S2 plus 11 plus 9 20 equal to 28. So S2 equal to 28, here plus 20, bring this side means minus 20. So S2 equal to 8 feet. That is the value of S2. That is the answer. Fifth sum, fill in the blanks. 5 centimeter square equal to dash millimeter square. Listen, we know that one centimeter squared equal to 100 millimeter square. So 5 centimeter square means 5 into 100, that is 500 millimeter square. That is the answer, 500 millimeter square. Next one, 26 meter square equal to dash centimeter square. We know that 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So 26 meters squared equal to 26 into 10,000, that is 2,60,000 centimeter square. 2,60,000 centimeter square. Next one, 8 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 8 kilometer square equal to how many meter square? 1 kilometer square equal to 10 lakhs meter square. That means 8 kilometer square equal to 8 lakhs meter square. So 8 lakhs is the answer. Sorry, 80 lakhs. Ten lakhs means 8 kilometer, 80 lakhs meter square. That is the answer. Sixth sum. Find the perimeter and area of the following shapes. First subdivision. Listen this figure. Here all sides are 4 centimeter. All sides measures 4 centimeter. How many squares are there? 5 squares are there. Here 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter, 4, 4, 4. Here also 4. So perimeter, we have to find out the perimeter and then area. First one, perimeter is equal to, what's the formula? Add all sides of the shape. So first 4, start from here, 4, 4, 4, 4. Next, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 fours. How much? That is 12 fours are 48 centimeter. That is perimeter. Next we have to find out the area. So area of the shape. Area of the shape is equal to 5 squares. Area of 5 squares. So 5 into, what is the area of a square? That is S square. So 5 into, what is S here? 4 centimeter. So 4 square. That is 5 into 16. Now 16 5s are 6 5s are 30, 1 5 is 5, 80. So 80 centimeter square, that is the area of this shape. That is the answer. Sixth sum, second subdivision. Listen the figure. From that we have to find out the perimeter and the area. What is perimeter? Summation of the addition all sides. Summation of all sides. Listen here. From this side 4 5 4 5 4 5 4 5. 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. 4 4s are 16 plus 5 4s are 20. So totally 36 centimeter, that is perimeter. Next, area. Area of the shape is equal to one square and 4 triangles. Area of one square plus area of 4 triangles. Listen, square, what is the side? That is side into side, that is area of square, plus 4 into half into BH. So area of square is S square. What is S here? Side is 3 centimeter. So 3 square plus 4 into 1 by 2 into B is what? Base, that is 3. In every triangle 3 is the base. So 3 into, which one is the height? That is 4. Three square, that is 9, plus here cancel the numbers. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So add the, multiply the remaining numbers, means 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Get how much? 33. 33 square centimeter, that is the area of the shape. Sixth sum, third subdivision. Listen this figure. They given a rectangle and triangle, here square also. First find out the measurements clearly. Here from here to here 50 centimeter and then 12 centimeter, here 13 and here 5, means here also 5. And listen, here square, so that is 4 sides are equal, so 10 10 only, and here 10 means totally 50, so here minus 10, that is 40 centimeter. This one 40 centimeter. Now this one 5 centimeter. Okay, next, first find out the perimeter. Perimeter of the shape equal to summation of all sides. First from 50 I add 50 plus 12 plus 13 plus 40 plus here 10 plus here also 10 plus again this 10 plus here 5. 50, 60, 70, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150. So 150 centimeter, that is the perimeter of this shape. Next one, area of the shape. Listen, area of the shape is equal to, what are the shapes here? One rectangle, one triangle and one square. So area of square plus area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Listen, Square means what is the measurement? On side into side is the area of square. Side is 10. So S square plus area of rectangle L into B plus triangle half BH. Here S is 10. So 10 in 10 squared plus what is L? 50 and B is 5. So 50 into 5, that is area of rectangle, plus half into, in this triangle base is 5 and height is 12. So 5 into 12. Cancel this two numbers. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 are 12. 10 square is 100 plus 55s are 5 5s are 25. Put the 0 means 250 plus 5 6 are 30. What is the answer? 100 plus 250, 350, 380. 380 centimeter square, that is the area of the shape. That is the answer. Seventh sum. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Listen this one. Given, what they given first, write down. That is length and breadth they given. Length L equal to 6 meter and breadth B equal to 4 meter. We have to find out the perimeter and area. Now what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? What is the formula? 2 into L plus B unit, that is meter. So 2 into, what is L? 6 plus 4. So 2 into 10 equal to 20 meter, that is perimeter. Next one, area. Area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. L into B square units. What is L? 6 into 4. That is 6 4s are 24 meter square. That is area. Square meter or meter square, both are same. That is the answer. Eighth sum. Find the perimeter and the area of the square whose side is 8 centimeter. Listen, they given side S equal to 8 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is 4 into S units. That is equal to 4 into, what is S here? 8. 4 8s are 32 centimeter. That is the perimeter. Next one, area. Area of the square is equal to S into S square units. That is S is 8, 8, 8. 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. That is area. That is the answer. Ninth sum, find the perimeter and the area of the right angled triangle whose sides are 6 feet, 8 feet and 10 feet. Listen, write down what they given. Side S1 equal to 6 feet. They given the sides of triangle. Side S2 equal to 8 feet and side 3 S3 is equal to 10 feet. Now find out the perimeter and area. So perimeter of triangle that is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3, that is 6 plus 8 plus 10, 14 plus 10, 24, 24 feet, that is the perimeter. Next, area. Area of triangle that is equal to, listen, in triangle which is the longest feet, that is 10 feet here only. Other sides are 6, 8. So which one is base? Height, 8 and 6. So what is the formula? Half into B into H square feet, that is 1 by 2 into base is 8 into height is 6. Now we want to cancel this one. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So remaining numbers multiply means we get 24 square feet. That is the area. That is the answer. 10th sum, find the perimeter of, first one, a scalene triangle with the 3 sides 7 meter, 8 meter and 10 meter. Listen. In scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal. So they given the perimeter equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 units. What is S1? 7 plus 8 plus 10. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 meter, that is the perimeter of scalene triangle. Next one, second one, an isosceles triangle with equal sides 10 centimeter each and third side is 7 centimeter. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. This two sides, that is 10 centimeter and another one 7 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to, what are the sides? S1 plus S2 plus S3. Here S1 and S2 are equal means, that is 10 plus 10 plus 7, that is 27 centimeter, that is the perimeter. And third one, an equilateral triangle with sides 6 centimeter. Equilateral means 3 sides are equal. 3 sides are equal. That is equilateral triangle, all sides are 6 only. Therefore, perimeter is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 18 centimeter. That is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. That is the answer. 11th sum, the area of a rectangular shaped photo is 820 square centimeter and its width is 20 centimeter. What is its length and also find its perimeter. Listen, write down what they given first. They given its breadth. Breadth of photo is equal to 20 centimeter. Width means breadth. And area also they given. Its area is 820 centimeter square. So apply the formula. Instead of area means L into B is equal to 820. L into breadth we know, that is 20 equal to 820. So L equal to 820. Here 20 is in multiplication, so bring this side means division. L equal to, cancel this numbers, that is 41 centimeter. That is the length of the photo. Next, also find its perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into, what is for L? That is 41 plus breadth is 20. So 2 into 61. 41 plus 20, 61. So we get 122 centimeter is the perimeter. Therefore, length equal to 41 centimeter and perimeter is equal to 122 centimeter. That is the answer. 12th sum, a square park has 40 meter as its perimeter. What is the length of its side and also find its area. Listen, they given the perimeter of the square park. Perimeter of the square park is equal to 40 meter. That means 4s equal to 40. What is the perimeter of square? That is 4s. So s equal to 40. Here multiplication 4. Bring this side means division. So s equal to 10 meter. Side equal to 10 meter. We found that side, and then they also ask that area, ask its area. So area of park is equal to s into s square meter, that is 10 into 10 equal to 100 meter square. That is the area. That is the answer. 13th sum, a scalene triangle has 40 centimeter as its perimeter and whose two sides are 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the third side. Lesson given side 1 and side 2. They given side 1 and side 2 of the scalene triangle, and perimeter also. Perimeter of scalene triangle is equal to how much? 40 centimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of a triangle? That is S1 plus S2 plus S3 equal to 40. We know that S1 and S2, 13 plus 15 plus S3 we don't know, write down as it is 15 plus 13, 28 plus S3 equal to 40. Now S3 equal to 40 minus 28. So S3 equal to 12. That is 12 centimeter. That is the third side of the scalene triangle. Therefore, the third side of scalene triangle is equal to 12 centimeter. That is the answer. 14th sum. A field is in the shape of right angled triangle whose base is 25 meter and height is 20 meter. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 45 per square meter. Listen, first write down what they given. Base of the right angle triangle field. Base B equal to 25 meter and height H equal to 20 meter. Now area of triangular field. Area of triangular field is equal to half into B into H square meter. 1 by 2 into what is B? That is 25 into H 20. Now cancel this numbers, means 2 1 is 2, 20, 10 2s are 20. We get, multiply the remaining numbers, we will get 250 meter square. That is the area of the field. And one more thing they given, that is cost of leveling. So cost of leveling the field at rupees 45 per meter square. So 250 into 45. Multiply these numbers. 45 into 25. 5 5s are 25. Carry over 2. 4 5s are 20. 22. And 5 2s are 10. Carry over 1. 4 2s are 8. 9. Put the 0. So 11,000 rupees. 11,250. That is the answer. Fifteenth sum. The square of side 2 cm is joined with a rectangle of length 15 cm and breadth 10 cm. Find the perimeter of the combined shape. Draw the diagram first. The figure is like that. Listen. Length 15 cm and breadth 10 cm. Square of side 2 cm. 2 means here 15 minus 2, that is 13. Now find out the perimeter of the combined shape. So solution, perimeter of the combined shape. P equal to, add this one first, 15 plus 10 plus 2 plus again 2 plus 2 plus 13 plus 10. 25, 27, 29, 31, 41, 44, 54. So 54 centimeter is the Perimeter of the shape. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.1 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.